real purpose of the whole program is to showcase American culture, and I really wanted to convey what America means to me. Well, I'm from Chicago.
Yeah, and I'm from northern New Jersey. I've kind of adopted the Midwest as my home.
Midwest is all about just hard work. It's very much the heartland of America.
Say we wanted some landscapes, obviously, that showed off the Midwest. One of the things that was very important to us was showing a barn, because I feel like it's kind of an American vernacular architecture is a red barn, and so we have one painting that just is a barn, and it's beautiful, and it's what you see all over the Midwest. But we also wanted people too. I started off kind of wanting landscapes, and we looked at a lot of beautiful landscapes, and we have some, and then we found that some of the ones that showed people just kind of being normal people and doing what they do were really spoke to us.
So I really like this one because I think it really captures the spirit of Minneapolis. I went to school right south of Minneapolis, so I thought it was particularly appropriate to have it in here. The main designer of the city of Chicago was Daniel Burnham, and his famous slogan was "Make no small plans" or "Make no little plans." And so Chicago is known for kind of grandiose architecture of Mies van der Rohe and Louis Sullivan, Frank Lloyd Wright. But what I like about these are Chicago rooftops, is this makes you see a city in a different way. And what I like about it really is the geometric patterns. And so there's a lot of squares here. You'll notice that brick is in all of these. And I just think it's a really interesting way to look at the city in a different way.
This one spoke to me because it's places that the artist has lived, and New Jersey is in there where I'm from. Not exactly the heart of America, but it can be considered that. But also there's a kind of an abstract quality
there's New Jersey there.
to it. I liked the American flag. There's just a lot of little American symbols in it, and I think that's what spoke to us. This is Meg Callahan's. She's a contemporary quilt artist, and because I'm a quilter myself, and because I have an antique quilt hanging in the wall, I wanted one contemporary. This was very personal. This one is just made us laugh. It's also by Sue Johnson, who gave us two others, and it's kind of all this strange retro 1950s America stuff. The motel, that was kind of a new thing in the 50s, and a TV dinner, and just other little symbols that look like American progress as viewed through the lens of somebody in the 1950s.
Abraham Lincoln came from Illinois, and Ronald Reagan came from Illinois, Barack Obama came from Illinois. So a lot of, I think, of what's best about America came from the Midwest.